Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic BMW X3 2-litre 20d M Sport Auto xDrive. Now this vehicle has currently done 40,707 miles and it's finished in the colour Photonic Blue. It does have 2 previous services on the system. It's a very stylish, sporty SUV. It does sit very nicely on the 19-inch alloy wheels. It does have adaptive LED headlights which light up the road nicely. And you also have very stylish rear LED lights as well. You do have a power tailgate that can be opened using the key fob, making access to the boot super easy. You do have a 550 litre boot space which can be increased to 1,600 with the rear seats down. You do also have some additional storage underneath the boot floor, making it very practical. Take a look inside to the rear of the vehicle. You do have gorgeous black leather interior with contrasting white stitching. There are ISOFIX points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. And overall you do have a very nice amount of space here for rear passengers. Taking a look inside here up front, you've got your leather multifunction M Sport branded steering wheel there. Your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. Now this X3 does come with the optional extra power folding door mirrors which automatically fold in when you lock and fold out when you unlock the vehicle. It's a very handy touch to have to keep them nice and protected. Your multifunction steering wheel here. To the left you've got your cruise control, to the right you've got your controls for the infotainment system. You do also have your very nice digital display here in the instrument cluster, providing you with your trip information. You do have a touchscreen infotainment system here at the top of the dashboard, or alternatively you can use the controls here in the center console. On the system you do have access to DAB, FM and AM radio, along with a CD player, Bluetooth audio and USB phone connectivity. Moving on, you do have your communication page where you can access your Bluetooth telephone menu, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls on the go. You do have navigation so you can be sure you're never lost and head to new places very easily. Moving on to your connected drive here, you've got access to your connected drive store, BMW Assistance and BMW Messages as well. Here in the My Vehicle section, you do have your vehicle settings here, which you can access features including your lighting. You do have ambient lighting throughout the interior, which does look very stylish. They look stunning, especially at night. They light up the dashboard and the doors nicely. Moving on, here in the system, you also have access to your vehicle service requirements and previous vehicle service history. You can also click on to see what service has been carried out. You also have access to additional vehicle information as well there. Below you will find a button for your intelligent safety where you can access the pedestrian alert along with your collision warning, which also includes brake intervention, keeping you as well as others on the road safe. The vehicle does also come equipped with front and rear parking sensors as well as a reverse camera to make parking super easy. You do also have park assist available to you as well, which is a very handy touch to have. Down below you will find your free zone climate control. You've got the front controls here. It's very straightforward to use. You also have heated front seats with 3 different temperature options to keep you nice and warm. You've got your storage here with 2 cup holders and your USB port. Your automatic gear selector here in the center console, and next to this you'll find your driving modes. You do have access to your Comfort, Sport along with your Eco Pro. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.